Evidently AI. When machine learning models and large language models are deployed in the real world, one challenge quickly arises. How do you make sure they stay accurate and reliable over time? That's where Evidently AI comes in. Founded in 2020 by Elena Samilova, CEO, and Emily Drow, CTO, Evidently AI was built to solve one of the biggest problems in AI, monitoring models after deployment. With roots in Y Combinator's summer 2021 batch and headquarters in San Francisco, the company has become one of the most trusted open-source and cloud-based platforms for AI monitoring. Evidently AI provides over 100 built-in metrics to track everything from data drift to model fairness and LLM output quality. It comes in two flavors: an open-source Python library for developers who want full control, and a cloud platform with dashboards, alerts, and no-code tools for enterprises that need continuous monitoring. What makes it especially powerful today is its LLM monitoring capability. It doesn't just look at raw numbers, it evaluates token-level accuracy, contextual consistency, and drift in generative AI systems. Teams can run regression tests, set up pass/fail conditions, and generate interactive reports to stay on top of AI performance. Whether you're a data science team ensuring production stability, a developer integrating observability into CI/CD pipelines, or an enterprise deploying AI at scale, Evidently AI acts like a quality control system for your models. In a world where AI is powering critical business decisions, Evidently AI ensures that your models don't just work today, they keep working tomorrow.